designation that has been given to Lahore recently was after we had a discussion with the Metropolitan Corporation Lahore. The Commissioner Lahore is now the administrator for the city, and every 4 years UNESCO opens up the applications for cities to be designated in 7 categories, which includes art, media, film, music, gastronomy and even literature. With the history of Lahore, we have a very rich literary heritage, and Lahore is a city which has been serving the field of literature for a very long time. It's very unfortunate that we did not get this designation earlier, मगर वो कहते हैं देर आए दुरुस्त आए। तो इस बार बहुत कम duration में, in a very limited span of time, we were able to prepare the application, and with the grace of God, we received the designation on 31st of October. Now there are 266 cities all over the world which form a network of creative cities in various fields of art, and Lahore is the first and the only city of Pakistan to be a member of this network. I believe that this forum is not for a political discussion or a political argument, but the credit goes to the government for this, for taking up this initiative and for fulfilling it. And now that the commitment has been made to UNESCO for the next 4 years, the city government and the commissioner is very much on board and they want to take it up forward. I am very grateful to Madam Dubia for inviting me here. She's shared a list of the people who are attached with this organization and other literary organizations which are working closely together. And we are in the process of forming a formal setup for this project, and we will be getting in touch with most of you again, and would really want your help and your guidance in designing various programs and various activities for the next 4 years, because literature, art, creativity brings a peaceful demonstration of the country all over the world. And after the incidents of 9/11 and Pakistan suffering through the hands of terrorism, this is a very big opportunity for us, and we can together avail this. Lahore is a city which includes everybody. It works on inclusiveness. So I'm very privileged to be a part of this initiative, and I wish to have a stronger network with our existing organizations and come up with better opportunities for each and every one of us to play our part in this initiative. Thank you very much.